Please help us so we can build our home in this vacant lot. Also, we need to have a garden so we can grow our food. And we need to buy some goats and chickens and pigs. And we need a pair of goats, pigs, 5 roosters, and hens so we can raise them for food. I want to plant corn in my garden and some sweet potatoes and tomatoes and all kinds of vegetables. So we'll be self-reliant and we will live a sustainable living of the grid. We will send you a thank you card signed by me and the video of my future home and garden in a DVD. Also, we have some t-shirts that we will mail to your home as a remembrance of this great project that you are part of. I cannot wait to see the transformation of my life from poverty to prosperity, from homeless to being home at last. I will engrave all your names on my wall of thanks in my future home to remind me that because of you, my world did stand. When I first cook in my new kitchen, I will think of you. When I lay down in my bed in my future home, I will think of you. I will pray for you. I will pray for you before I go to bed, and when I wake up in the morning, I thank God for all your help to make my burden lighten. I will ask God that He will bless you all as you will bless my life. Thank you very much. I hope one day I will see you in USA and shake your hands and thank you personally. Again, thank you very much. And may God bless you all. And have a nice day. See you in USA soon. Bye.